There are not very many people out here. Not sure why. Let me take a picture. I like the juxtaposition with the modern buildings in the background.
신랑님이 아래쪽 서주시고 신부님이 한칸.
Sometimes I just don't get people, like you're taking pictures and they like see you there, and you know they see you there because they pause and then they still cross in front. And especially when there's no one else there but you, you know? It's like I understand if there's like, you know, a lot of us, and sometimes it's happened to me where there's like, you know, a lot of people, and then you're just crossing and then all of a sudden you realize, oh, someone's taking a picture, and they're like, oh, I'm so sorry. But when they purposely do it, like, come on, people, seriously. Why does it look lopsided? I guess I'm holding the camera lopsided. There we go. For me, photography is so easy. Videotaping, it's a little different story, unfortunately. I guess this used to be a tree. Let's see what it says. Texas Cuspidata, Seoul Bolden. Well, too bad. Too bad, so sad. It's only in Korean. Some places have them in English and Korean. But here, I guess they don't care. Guess I should go like this. Get a wider angle. Got these nice, beautiful trees here.
그래서 내가 너 신기하다고 그런 거야. 보인다고? 아니, 그러니까 이쁘잖아.
It's a lot more vast in here than it looks like from the outside, because I saw all the trees and it looked like they were just in one area, but I mean, obviously I just started, so they might be in I think there's a secret garden here, so they might be in the secret garden. But there's another palace right next to it, so I'm not sure if the secret garden's in this one or in the next one. I think it's in this one. So I'll go over in the other direction. There are restrooms over here. I like that tree right there. Let me come the other way. 저기요, 같이 사진? You want? 나 없어요? 아니요? 네. 네. Okay. You're welcome. I think they might have thought I was referring to a picture with my camera. That's not what I was saying. Obviously, I meant like with their picture. I mean, their camera. That's why he started laughing, because I think they thought I wanted a picture with my camera, and it's like, no, with your camera. You know? Anyway. Yeah, next time I ask people if they want a picture, I'm going to put my camera away first. Yeah, that's probably what he thought. But who knows, maybe they just didn't want pictures. Maybe they're like me and they're like, 아니요, 감사합니다. I don't come out good in pictures. Like, oh, look at these gorgeous trees. Oh my goodness. I love that tree right there. Yeah, I need to learn this camera because it looks like I can take pictures even, I don't know. Looks like I can take pictures even though it's on on video mode. And then it also looks like I could take pictures even though it's on camera mode, but I'm not sure. I'm just really confused. But then I have to switch from autofocus to manual focus constantly. Maybe there's a feature where I don't have to continuously do that. I mean, I don't know. I'm just really confused. I'm going to see if I could go up there. I don't know what that is up there. Huh. Let me take a picture. So I just took pictures of this couple. I put my camera away because they were taking pictures by the trees. And I had noticed she was taking pictures of him earlier by himself, so took pictures. I mean, they're just quick pictures, so they're not that great, of course. They're just really quick. It looks so pretty in there. But at least they have memories. And then they started talking to me, and I'm like, oh, I'm so sorry, I don't speak Korean. I don't understand. And then the husband kept talking to me, and then the wife told him that I didn't understand. But then I understood like one or two words that he said, and he said that my Korean was really good. I'm, of course, assuming he's referring to my pronunciation. I have the pronunciation pretty good, but it doesn't matter if I can't understand. You know. Oh well, it is what it is. One of these years I'll be able to understand. So I'm gonna go back. You know what? I need to put lip balm on. My lips are so dry. And there are some leaves that are falling. I wish they would. Oh, there was one. I wish they'd come in my direction. Yay! Shower me with leaves.
chickpea.
It's a nice picture right here. I wanted to go in a... I don't know why. In a counterclockwise direction. Usually I like to go clockwise, but... No, I was going to go clockwise. Man, I'm so tired. I actually was going clockwise. Man. I went to my left, clockwise. But they have it enclosed, or closed down, I guess, for some reason. Hopefully I can go up there in that area. I just want to get to this section that I saw off when I was on the bus. There's just some gorgeous trees. Wow, there are a lot of steps over there. Wait, who am I? Yeah. I'm pointing in the right direction. I'm like, where am I pointing to? Okay, so... I'll go up. I don't know if I should go up to the steps or go over there. Because I don't know if that area is closed over there. Oh, no, I see some people up there. Okay, let me go up this way. I need to... Oh, no. I go... I'm really struggling with the camera because go camera, video, autofocus, manual focus. And then sometimes it seems like I forget to like switch because I like manual focus, taking pictures, autofocus for the video. Yeah. Caution, wet floor. I'm trying to keep... It turned out to be a beautiful day. I mean, it does get cold at night. Yesterday it got really cold. Good thing is I was wearing a sweater, but I was still cold with my... I mean, during the day I was wearing a sweater over a dress. And then I bought another big sweater. And then, but I was still really cold. Can we go upstairs? Can you see me? Whoa. There are a lot of people here in wheelchairs. A lot of people. I don't want to get into people's pictures. Okay, so that's the area that you could see from from the outside. Let me see. I'll go through the perimeter. Oh. So nice view. Okay, so I desperately try to take selfies right now. Oh my word. Yeah, I didn't do too good. Wow. It's like I don't know how to position myself. It's like, okay, I see the buildings in the background. Now how do I stand? 안녕하세요. How do I stand? And it's like, I don't know. I move to the right, I move to the left. And it just doesn't work.